Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the last Dwarfs token. Ticker symbol is TLD. Now this token just started their pre-sale January 16th, and this pre-sale is going to go all the way till May 19th, 2025, and we're going to go over the information on the last Dwarfs token, and we're going to talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, you can find this token in the pre-sale section on coinsniper.net. And I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here, at The Last Dwarves on X. Blue verified check mark. They have a link to their Telegram right there. They have a link to their webpage, thelastdwarves.com. 13,700 Twitter followers. They just joined Twitter July 2024. 200 posts so far. Their Telegram has links to 2 other Telegrams on there as well. So there's a game involved here. So if you click on that Telegram right there, it'll take you to at the last dwarves _bot. And that's where the game will be. Now, a lot of these play to earn games on Telegram, these tokens involved with these games are very popular. I did one yesterday called the Money Dogs token that got listed on MEXC Global. So this is a similar project here. And then if you go to that Telegram right there, you're going to find their news Telegram and their community Telegram, both linked on there as well. So 3 different Telegrams involved in this project here, one of them being the game. And yeah, so what is this project all about? It says, welcome to the revolution of the last dwarves. Forget the overhyped promises and empty dreams. With the TLD token, we're not just aiming for the stars, we're digging deep into the bedrock of value, innovation, and community-driven success. TLD is not your typical token. It's the mob coin. TLD belongs to the people. It's built to be accessible, inclusive, and rewarding for everyone. From gamers to investors to creators, in a world where many tokens cater to the institutions and elite players, TLD is here to democratize the blockchain revolution. Everyone has a voice. Through governance rights, token holders actively shape the ecosystem's direction. Opportunities are shared. Whether you're staking, trading, or exclusive in-game rewards, TLD creates value for everyone involved. And it's built to last. With robust tokenomics and a thriving ecosystem, TLD ensures sustainable growth for the long term. Why choose TLD? Well, real utility. From powering gameplay and staking rewards to connecting you with exclusive partnerships, TLD is at the heart of the Last Dwarves ecosystem. It's community driven, so every TLD you own is a vote in shaping the future, and this is a coin that's built for the community, by the community. More than just a game, TLD bridges gaming, finance, and technology to deliver a token that grows alongside an evolving multi-chain ecosystem. So the pre-sale is your opportunity to become part of this movement from the ground up. By joining, you're not just buying the token, you're investing in the future of blockchain gaming. And yeah, so if you want to get involved with the pre-sale, there is a web page here you can go to, which is at thelastdwarves.com. It's linked right up there. There's a refer to earn section, a how to buy section. There's even a play now button, tokenomics, frequently asked questions, roadmap, socials, change the language. You could buy, you could stake. So there's a little box that shows you how much 1 TLD right now equals 0.0085 USD. As the pre-sale goes on, you know, this right now it's stage 1. This pre-sale just started, but as the stages go on, the price increases. So the earlier you get in, basically, the cheaper you get the token. You can connect your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet where it says Connect Wallet. If you have a refer code or a bonus code, you could use those. But first, you would fund your wallet with either ETH, BNB, TRX, BTC, TON, SHIB, Pepe, USDC, USDT. They have tons of options of buying this token here. So let's say you used ETH. You'd fund your wallet with ETH. And then you punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many TLD tokens you receive for that amount. And then you simply just buy the token. Now, they have been advertising themselves in different news articles. It says they've been featured in Binance, Crypto Potato, Coinpedia, Crypto Daily, the Crypto Times, Crypto Slate, etc. So tons of marketing going on here. So it says, you are the final hope of a once great kingdom. As the last guardian of the dwarves, it's up to you to rebuild the lost empire by gathering resources, battling moles, and upgrading your dwarves. Every victory brings you closer to restoring the kingdom's glory, but it won't be easy. Only with skill, strategy, and determination, you will reclaim the treasures stolen from the moles and return to the dwarves' kingdom to its former greatness. Are you ready for the challenge to take the dwarves to ancient glory? So it says, getting started with Last Dwarves. Number 1, access the game. To start playing The Last Dwarves, simply open the Telegram and set up a username. If you don't have one already, this is required for an automatic login. Launch the bot. And so that is the Telegram that's linked right there on the Twitter right there. Launch the bot. Click Play Now button. Your Telegram account will automatically connect to the game. Number 3, start your journey. Every new player begins with 51 pickaxe swings. Plus, you will have the opportunity to receive 10 extra swings every hour. Your journey to restore the Dwarven Kingdom begins now. Will you rise to the challenge and reclaim the lost glory? So there's the lore. If you want to go over the whole lore, that's on their document section. If you go to thelastdwarves.com and click on docs or white paper. So there's a fun mini game where you'll face the moles. Every successful hit earns you diamonds, a valuable resource needed to improve your dwarves' progress through the game. As you collect the diamonds, you'll be able to upgrade your dwarves, making them stronger and more efficient at mining resources and generating the game's currency, TLD. Each upgrade brings you a step closer to restoring the kingdom and unlocking new powerful perks. In addition to upgrades, you'll be able to craft powerful items using the materials your dwarves mine. Crafting allows you to create mystery boxes, pickaxes, and other valuable tools that give you an edge in your journey. And throughout your adventure, you'll unlock new dwarves, each with their own unique abilities, who will help you gather more resources and speed up your progress. The more you progress, the more efficient the team becomes, making the rebuilding of the kingdom faster and more rewarding. So take up the challenge, defeat the moles, gather the resources, and restore the ancient kingdom to its former glory. So go check out this project and let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.